Welcome to the channel, ladies and gentlemen. Today I'm going to show you how to edit a screenshot in Uizard. So let's do it. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, we are jumping now into Uizard, and we are either going to start a new blank project or we're going to start from a screenshot. Okay, so either which way, you're going to get into where you will have your dashboard and you can actually start designing. Okay, so here we go. And over here it says you can grab one of these screenshots, and that's fine. We can if we'd like to, but we would like to just maybe skip the examples. Here you have two upload options. You can use your phone to scan this QR code. What will happen is you can then upload from your mobile device and it'll be uploaded directly right over here. We can also upload from this device. So let's go and use this option. All right, so this will take a few seconds just to upload. You can see now that we have our screenshot uploaded. It is just a screenshot of a watch, a smartwatch. And we're going to go ahead and click on over here, the output screen size. We can select desktop, mobile, tablet. Of course, depending on what you choose, they have to be appropriate to the screenshot. Let's go and click on import. All right, here we go. So it's now up and running. I'm just going to close this, and you can see here our screenshot is. Now, the very simple part is clicking on each one of these elements and being able to edit it. So as you can see, I've clicked on this. I can now change the style. I can also use the generative AI to correct what I would like to have edited. I can also change the color. I can make it bold, italic. I can change the alignment. And then here's a bunch more that I can do with it. One of the other things that I can do with it is if I double click on it, I can actually edit it right over here. Okay, so this is all fantastic. It's really, really, really awesome. And once you are done with each one of these, you can actually just even change the sizing of the text boxes. You can see that this is an image and so forth. You can change every element over here.